getting out of the classroom and doing something different. For my school, it's been superb to see a mixture of boys and girls joining in sports and competing on an equal footing, I think.
على سبيل المثال مدرسة السلطان جايو الأول وصل من مدرسة السلطان إلى خان مدرسة السلطان.
I love sailing because my country is really good at it, and I would like to join the Oman sail team in the future if I continue, and I always enjoy coming sailing with my friends. It's like I'm developing a new skill, and it's creativity. I enjoy doing it. You always learn something new.
I like the sailing because it's very fantastic, and when I come to sailing I feel so good because I see the sea and the weather. I like it.
When I'm sailing, it's very magical. You can see the seagulls and you hear the calm and the tranquility, which you don't get in the city or anywhere else.
I didn't know that it would be this fun, and we just started like from 6 weeks now. We meet new people, have fun, laugh.
Each person who do the sail, so I'm sure he's happy, and he's happy for the first regatta school today. And it's come very good from our instructor. So they work very hard with the kids, and they let people to improve the sails, and they do it well.
It was an absolute delight seeing all the children. The atmosphere on the water was fantastic, and I'm very proud of the kids that were sailing out there. It was only their 6th time today, and they were very competitive, and they just had a wonderful time.
One of our students win a best sailor, and we are very happy for that.
مدرسة راشد بن نظر، شعور اليوم نفتخر كثير يعني نفزت من المركز الأول. هو كان يعني سباق شوية صعب، لكن الحمد لله يعني استطعنا نفوز المركز الأول.